Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this video, we are here with two methods that you can use to get a voided check from Chase Bank online while sitting at home. Apart from setting up direct deposit, there are several other tasks that require a voided check. If we need to provide our bank details to someone, we can share a voided check that contains almost all the necessary information. However, sometimes we don't have a physical checkbook, so we need a digital voided check that we can obtain online. Unfortunately, many people don't know the process. In today's video, we will explain two online methods to get a voided check from Chase Bank. So, let's get started. We came across these methods on a website and we'll guide you through it. The name of the website is Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, you can see many articles related to banking on the right-hand side. One of the articles is titled, Get a Voided Check from Chase Bank Online, Complete Guide. When we scroll down this article, it contains all the information related to voided checks from Chase Bank. It explains in detail what a voided check is and how it is used for direct deposits. In addition to direct deposit, the article also describes other uses of a voided check, one by one. It answers whether it is possible to obtain a voided check online or not. Before obtaining a voided check online from Chase Bank, it's essential to have this information. You'll find the link to the article in the description. Click the link to read the details. When we scroll down further, we find the main subheading, How to Get a Voided Check from Chase Bank Online, Step-by-Step Guide. Under this subheading, it explains, if you want to get a voided check from Chase Bank Online, you don't need to visit a branch. Here are two methods to do it, via online net banking and the Chase app. Below that, two methods are detailed. The first method is demonstrated using a PC or laptop, and the second method is shown on a mobile screen. Screenshots are also included to help you understand the entire process easily. Let's go through both methods step by step. Method 1. Online net banking. Step 1. Visit Chase Bank. Website. Open Chase Bank's official website on your PC or laptop and go to the net banking page. Enter your username and password to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. After logging in, you will see the net banking portal with various functions. Click on the More button and then select Account Services from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Set up direct deposit. Scroll down and click on Set up direct deposit. Step 4. Download pre-filled form. On the new page, choose Download pre-filled form. Your pre-filled form, including the voided check, will appear using your existing net banking details. If you face issues with the net banking method, you can use the second method, Method 2, using Chase app. Step 1. Install and open Chase app. Download and open the Chase app on your mobile device. Step 2. Log in. Log in to the Chase app and view your checking and savings balance. Select the account from which you want to get the voided check. Step 3. Manage account. Click on Manage account. Step 4. Set up direct deposit form. Click on Set up direct deposit form. This form, when generated, will include a voided check. Step 5. Create form. Enter your full name, address, city, state and zip code and click on Create Form. Step 6. Download voided check. The form will be generated and will include the voided check in the middle. By following these simple steps, you can easily obtain a voided check from Chase Bank, either through online net banking or the Chase app. So these are the two methods, one via net banking and the other through the Chase app. Using either of these methods, you can get a voided check online from home. If you still face any issues, feel free to contact us directly. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.